Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing what's sold on the Real Reel. It's kind of like an update video from some of my other videos. So if you're new here, I'm a now part-time reseller, used to be full-time. My Instagram is rebel_rose_co. If you follow me there, you will see reselling content and a variety of other kinds of content. So today I'm going to be sharing about the Real Reel. They are a luxury consignment website. I had mixed feelings on this, but now my feelings are pretty negative, not gonna lie. So this is just a casual video. I'm literally on my bed. If you like this kind of content, if you liked, commented, subscribed, that really helps me out a lot with the algorithm. And I'm going to go ahead and share with you. First, I'm going to share the items that have sold, and then I'm going to share the items that they accepted that are still active and have not sold. If you want to see what I sent in so you can see like what they rejected and stuff, I will link my last video up here, and then I will link another Real video of what sold from my first box up here. So I'm super new to this site. I know a lot of people have good luck with it. Not happy with it so far. So, one second. So one thing, I need to email them and ask. I've had some problems because I'm not even gonna go into it. They messed up on my first box on something and they just gave me the runaround. I sent like 50 emails. They didn't give a shit. So, yeah, that really turned me off from them because, I shouldn't have to send like 100 emails to get you to like pay me for something, you know? So anyway, that was one thing that I was not happy with. So real quick, it says hi Kelly, you're an insider. You're earning 55% commission. And then on all my items, it says either 30% commission rate or 40% commission rate. I don't understand why. Probably a simple answer, but I literally don't know. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and share with you what sold. This is not just like within a certain month. This is just from my last box, and it might be a few things from my first box. It's just everything that sold since my last video on what sold. Yeah, I had high hopes for this website to be an extra source of income. I will be sending in some items, but not a lot of items. So, sorry, I'm fucking parched. Okay. The first item is Oscar de la Renta Virgin Wool Dress Pants. These were men's dress pants. They just said Oscar, made by Oscar on the inside. They didn't say Oscar de la Renta, so I honestly wasn't sure if they were Oscar de la Renta. And I can't remember, there was some kind of problem with them, so I didn't know if they would even sell. They listed them, I don't remember what they listed them at, but they sold for $40, discounted at 20% rate. So I don't know if that means the $40 was the discounted price or if they sold for 20% off $40. I'm still new to this site. I don't understand a lot of it, but I got $12. So considering it just said made by Oscar and it didn't say Oscar de la Renta, and that I think the zipper was like kind of messed up, but you could still wear them. $12, that's fine. Okay, this next one I actually was super happy with. It was a Diane von Furstenberg striped pant set. I can't remember the size, but I believe it was a size 2. Very Y2K style. It was just these like sort of cropped pants and this blazer. It was a very old style, and I had no luck selling them myself, and I didn't have high hopes for these on this website, but they actually did really good. They sold for $93.75, discounted at 25%. Again, I'm not sure if that's 25% off 93 or if 93 is the 25% off, whatever, it doesn't really matter. I got $38. That was a 40% commission rate. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's not 55 like it says when you like enter the site. And it says like you get 55% commission and then every single one of my items is less than 55%. I don't understand. I need to email them and ask, but they probably won't give me a straight answer. So $38 for this. I paid like $5 for it. Super happy with this. I would 100% send this in again. All right, next was a Lafayette 148 linen printed jacket. I'm not sure what is printed. Nothing is printed on it. It was like a gold metallic jacket. They sold it for $52. I got $16. Not really that happy with that, but this was sitting forever. It was one of those jackets that like didn't look good in pictures. It was a very, very pale gold metallic, and it was like no matter how I photographed it, it didn't show up super good. So $16, whatever. This is what I wish I had not sent in. And I know you can like request stuff back, but like I don't come on here like often enough for that. So I was like, they'll just sell whatever. This is all stale inventory, by the way. This is not stuff I paid up for. A pair of Lafayette 148 wool wide leg pants. They sold for $15, discounted at 70%. I got $5 fucking dollars. Okay. Sad. This next one's a little worse. So I sold a St. John striped scoop neck top. They sold it for $13.75, discounted at 75%. I got $4. $4 for St. John. I mean, this is my fault because I should have been checking the site. I should have requested back the items. Whatever. It's fine. It's fine. I really wanted this site to like work out well for me. And then another pair of Lafayette 148 virgin wool wide leg pants. They sold for $15 at a 70% discount rate. I got $5 fucking dollars. All right, here's another one. Fendi vintage silk pattern tie. They sold it for $24 at 20% off. I got $7 for Fendi. For Fendi. I know it's just a tie. I'm just like, you know when you find like a brand that you've just been like looking for and it's like, oh my god, I fucking found Fendi. This is amazing. And then it's like $7. I know it's just a tie and it's like vintage, whatever. $7. It's fine. It's fine. I had like a mental breakdown when I was looking at these for the first time, but it's fine. A Diane von Furstenberg silk printed crop top. This wasn't a crop top. This was a blazer. I don't know why they called it a crop top. It might have been a little cropped, but it was a blazer. Whatever. They sold it for $40, discounted at 20%, and I got $12. Acres Punto wool striped blazer. They sold it for $19.50. It discounted at 70%. I got $6. Some of the stuff it's like had been sitting, but it's like I'm more than willing to hold on to these like pricier brands even if I just got like $40 for it, you know? I know some of these things like Acres Punto can retail for a lot, like $1,000. Resale is not always the same, but I would have held out for $50, you know what I mean? But I got $6, so. Okay, Christian Dior silk pattern tie. They sold it for $20. I got $6. Salvador Fergamano suede ruffle embellished Dorsey pumps. These had been sitting forever. I have sold a pair of Salvador Fergamano. They were genuine leather loafers. I sold them for $100. This style was very, very old. It was like short kitten heel. Dorsey had this giant like fluff ball on the end. So yeah, it had no interest. They sold it for $25. That was 50% off, and I got $8. So it's like, I'm like barely making my money back on some of these things. And then a Rag and Bone straight leg pants. They sold for $20, and I got $6. So yeah, not happy with a lot of these things. But there is some stuff like that YSL suit that I paid like $3 for practically, that I sold for, or that I got a payout of $99 for my last box. That was super good. I was really happy with that. I was happy with the Diane von Furstenberg suit set from this sale, whatever. But then there's a lot of stuff. I'm like, oh my god, why did I send that in? Or why didn't I request this back? So anyway, I'm going to tell you now. So basically, I'm going to be more watchful when I send stuff in. So if they price it super low, or if they start discounting it, because I know they discount stuff really fast. If they start discounting it super low, I will request it back. So I am going to share some of the things that they took that have not sold yet that are active. Diane von Furstenberg skinny leg pants. They have listed at $40. It says discounted at 50%. I don't know if that means if someone buys it, they're paying $20 for it, or $40 is already the 40%. Yeah, or $40 is already the 50% off. If you know a lot about the real, if you could comment and let me know that. Okay, this Pierre Balmain wool blazer, I paid $2 for this. They have it listed at $60, discounted at 30%. Sandro wide leg pants, I got these for like $1. It was actually Sandro Sport. So I've sold a regular Sandro dress for $200, Sandro Sport, and it was like capris, like they were not like a good style. So I paid only $1 for them. I sent them in. They have them listed at $40. Okay, I really hope this sells. Please, please sell. This is Fendi. It's a nylon mini skirt. It's a vintage Fendi skirt. I paid about $5 for this. They have it listed at $165, discounted at 30%. I hope this sells. It's like some stuff, like I got $6 for a Fendi tie, but they're gonna list this Fendi skirt at $165. I don't know. And then Armani Collezione striped evening jacket. They have it listed at $85. This brand has sold well for me on Thredup, but Thredup is like, if you've seen, I'll link it up here. It's like the T on Thredup and Poshmark changes, whatever. They kind of suck now, but I've sold Armani on there for over $100 before, so hopefully that will do well. And this was a Gianni Versace knee-length skirt. I just thrifted this super recently. It's a vintage skirt. It's midi. They have it listed for $80, discounted at 30%. Okay, Rachel Zoe. I had these jeans listed for like 2 years. I did not even know that this was a brand that they accepted, but they do. It's Rachel Zoe low-rise skinny leg jeans. They have like zippers on them. They have them listed at $40, discounted at half off. Current Elliott low-rise skinny leg jeans. These are low-rise blue, like the color blue skinny jeans, so not super trendy right now. I have them listed for $40, discounted at 50%. C by Chloe silk V-neck top with tags. They have listed at $55, discounted at 40%. And I'm also noticing on some of these I get 30% commission rate, some of these I get 40% commission rate. But when I log into this website, it says, congrats, you're an insider. You get 55% commission rate. So I don't understand. I feel like they're trying to trick you. I don't know. I have these Prada leather boots. They did have some wear on the heel. It was like, I don't know how to describe it. It was like a little messed up, but they have it listed for $100, discounted at 40%. Yeah, and then they have a bunch of items listed from my last box that are still for sale. So yeah, that's the update on the Real. I don't even know what to say about the Real. It's like a couple sales I'm happy with, and then the rest of them I'm like, oh my god. You know, it's just like, I don't know. I'm gonna keep trying out the Real with certain things that I think I'll get a lot for, and I'm gonna keep my cost of goods very low. So we'll see. If this is still like a trial for me, basically, like I'm still testing it out. I do have some men's items that I'm going to try and send in because I don't have good luck selling men's items. So, or I don't know a lot about men's items. Anyway, sorry if I like rambled a lot in this video. I'm trying to get a lot of stuff filmed today. So if you liked this video, if you liked, commented, and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell notification so you get notified when I post videos. That means a lot to me, and I will see you next time. Bye.